Okay, we have the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and we're just gonna see what happens when we start it up with the new 1.4.8 update. Some people have said that it affects the gimbal on startup, so we're just gonna do it. We've got a close-up of the gimbal, and we're just gonna start it now. Here we go. And I see no shake in the gimbal. And it says connected, controller, it's connected. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the PIDs. Well, we're going to go into the version 1.4.8. Then we're going to go into the PIDs. And there are the PIDs. Question is, did the PIDs change from 1.4.7? Yes, they did. 1.4.7 had a 1.5 on P yaw, and now it's got a 5. Had an 0.1 on the I yaw, and it used to be 0.2. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 0.6, 1.4, 5, and 8. So the things that changed were the yaw went to 5 and the I went to 0.1. And I'll put a screenshot up there. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's get into a flight and see if something changed. Okay, we have the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. Just had the latest update a couple of days ago. For some reason I deleted the video, but anyway, 1.4.8. And the PIDs on this now are, okay, you notice in the yaw under P it's 5 and under I it's 0.1. Well, on 1.4.7 under the P at yaw used to be 1.5, and under the I yaw it used to be 0.2. Everything else is the same. Okay, so the things that changed was the P and the I under the yaw. Let's see if that makes a difference. So this is going to be the test flight. So, ready to go. We've seen the PIDs. We're on the new firmware, 1.4.8. Let's get it up and watch it hover. And there it is. I haven't done any compass calibrations or anything else, so we're there. I might take it in for a closer look. Let's take this in for a closer look. Okay, so it's there and it's hovering and it's really good. Okay, very good. Bring it back again. We'll just set this up here for our landing. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna just let that run for now. It's a very quick flight. We're gonna go up. We're gonna change this over to our camera. Do our settings of, let's just change it up to 2.7. We like changing these around a bit just to see what happens here. So we're gonna go back to 1080p, sorry. 30, okay. It's just easier to work with for me. Okay. We notice there still is that problem where you can't view your pictures. If you take pictures in flight, you have to come back and plug it into your phone and all this kind of stuff. But anyway, or it has to be landed anyway, but you can't check your pictures in flight. But I'm interested in yaw jitter. Okay, we're looking for yaw jitter. So we're gonna go to the left and up. And up. Okay, look at that. We're gonna go up to about 50. Beautiful day, blue skies, everything's on auto. Okay, and then we're gonna go and turn off the, I believe it's got HDR on, but we're gonna turn that off. Okay, let's have a look to the left here. Any jitter there? I saw some. What's that look like? Is there too much sun? Looks orange, doesn't it? Anyway, whoa, no, we don't want to go that far. Let's bring it down about there. Yeah, okay, out we go. Do it to the left and the right. It's that way. Out a bit, and we're going to go to the right. We're at full stick forward at 8 meters per second. Okay, and to the right. On the screen here, it looks like there is jitter. So we shall see what that image looks like. What difference did those PIDs make? We'll slow it down a little bit to about 3 or 4, and we'll turn it around. And we'll go the other way. And then we'll come home. We'll do a return to home here. We'll just hit that function button. And it's returning home. Bring that camera down a bit. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to stop that video. We did stop the video. Oh well. Let's come back and start this again. Okay, let's cancel that return to home. Okay, let's turn around. I'm going to head back out that way. Now, on our video, we have 1080p 30, and we have HDRs on. Okay, so let's just start that video. Bingo. Okay, now we can go. Yeah, we're at 47. We're going to go up to about 55, I think. Here we go. Now let's head out there. This time we have the video going. And the right. We'll slow it down a bit. Go to the left. And we'll slowly go to the right. How's the jitter? It looks on the screen like it is jittering. But anyway, what's the difference? Okay. Okay, let's stop that video. And we're going to go in and turn off HDR. You have to be in 4K to do that. Okay, so let's go to 4K. 4K. And then we go into HDR. Turn it off. Okay. Go back. Then we go into 1080p. Okay. And we look to see if we've got HDR on. It turns it on automatically. Why is that? I don't want HDR on. Okay, so let me go back in here. Resolution 4K. 4K. And I want to turn off HDR. Okay, it's turned off, right? Okay, let's go back in again. It's turned off. Okay, go back in again. Change that to 1080p. Okay, and we will check to see if it's on or off. It's off this time. Okay, start that video. And we'll turn around and come back. Here we go. Forward. Any difference really? And we'll turn it around. And turn it around. Some yaw there. How does it make a difference? We'll do a double yaw there. There we go. And we'll do a return to home. Returning home. So it says. And it's coming home. When it starts descent, I'll turn off the video. We will look at it and see what the differences are. Yeah. This is on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Just using that microphone. When it comes down, we will get into the hand catching and see what it's like. It's coming down. And we'll turn that video off when it gets below the tree line. Oh no, we're going to stop it there. Because my takeout point was under the trees. Okay, forward and down. I'm going to stop the video. There we go. Okay, and we just underneath, left stick. That's it. Okay. So there you have it. Zino Mini Pro version 1.4.8. The update. The second update, the third update in what, a couple of weeks? But they did change the PIDs. Did it alter the jitter and yaw? I know that the white balance, if it's not locked in, you get all kinds of exposure value issues and lights to darks and all this kind of stuff. The horizon's not right on the money, but I just want to get rid of that shake and jitter without getting into changing shutter speeds. I just want to know if it's any different. You let me know. I haven't really seen it yet, and we'll wait for the next one. Okay? Have a great day. Get out there. Enjoy the sunshine. See you later.